In this video, you'll learn how to change the number of units for a class. This function only works for classes that have variable or alternate units. There are a few places to change units. 1. From the class's main menu, select Change Units. 2. From the Study List page. 3. From the Study List widget. For this tutorial, we will perform this feature using Change Units from the main menu. This page shows the currently enrolled or waitlisted classes that have the Change Unit option. Make sure you're in the appropriate term. Let's change the units for Film TV 195. Check the box under the class title to proceed. The current number of units for Film TV 195 is 4 units. Use the drop-down menu to select the desired number of units. Let's change it from 4 units to 2 units. Select the Change Units button to confirm your choice to change the number of units. A success message will show that the change has taken place. Otherwise, an error message will display the reason for not allowing the change of number of units. This concludes our video.